At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a trading card game, TCG, business can be an exciting venture, especially considering the popularity and growth of the gaming industry. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research the market. Understand the TCG market thoroughly. Identify popular games, target demographics, trends, and potential competitors. This research will help you make informed decisions about your business. 2. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your objectives, target market, revenue streams, marketing strategies, and financial projections. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your business and can also be useful when seeking funding or partnerships. 3. Choose your niche. Decide which TCGs you want to focus on. Whether it's established games like Magic, The Gathering, or Pokemon, or newer indie games, choose a niche that aligns with your interests and has market demand. 4. Legal considerations. Register your business and obtain any necessary licenses or permits to operate legally in your area. Consult with legal professionals to ensure compliance with regulations, especially if you plan to sell collectible items like trading cards. 5. Secure suppliers. Establish relationships with suppliers or distributors to source TCG products. This might include manufacturers, wholesalers, or direct partnerships with game publishers. Ensure you can obtain a steady supply of cards at competitive prices. 6. Set up your storefront. Decide whether you want to operate an online store, a physical retail location, or both. Invest in a user-friendly website with secure payment options if you choose to sell online. For a physical store, choose a location with high foot traffic and ample space to display your products. 7. Inventory management. Stock a diverse range of TCG products to cater to different tastes and budgets. Keep track of inventory levels, popular products, and sales trends to optimize your stock and minimize excess inventory. 8. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to attract customers to your business. Utilize social media, email marketing, influencer partnerships, and community events to raise awareness of your brand and engage with your target audience. 9. Offer additional services. Differentiate your business by offering additional services such as organized play events, tournaments, card grading, or card trading. Creating a vibrant community around your store can foster customer loyalty and repeat business. 10. Provide excellent customer service. Focus on delivering exceptional customer service to build trust and loyalty with your customers. Respond promptly to inquiries, address any issues or concerns promptly, and create a welcoming and inclusive environment for all TCG enthusiasts. 11. Stay informed and adapt. The TCG market is constantly evolving, with new games, expansions, and trends emerging regularly. Stay informed about industry developments, listen to customer feedback, and be willing to adapt your business strategies to stay competitive. Starting a TCG business requires dedication, passion, and a solid understanding of both the gaming industry and business fundamentals. With careful planning and execution, you can turn your love for trading card games into a successful and rewarding venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.